guys, we're here at Atlantis Casino Reno. We've got a single deck game. I've got $450 here. On this game, dealer does hit soft 17. I can only double on a 10 or 11, and I can only split once. And this is my first time playing single deck, so I was totally unprepared for it. If I make mistakes, just know it's because I'm telling you now, I don't exactly know what I'm supposed to be doing. Strategy-wise, you know, so I'm basically playing it the same way I play double deck. Oh my gosh.
That was ugly.
Yeah, it was.
No, 10 or 11.
Oh shoot. And I just got finished saying that too. Like, I just forget, man.
There you go. Somebody has to cheer.
That's where...
I'm the cheer squad.
Yeah, I think that's where... What I don't like about this game is because you can't really get money on the table. Yeah, no, me too.
The last hand for the shoe.
Last hand already? Mm-hmm. You just started.
Oh, that's not funny.
All right, shuffle time.
And we do cut five card and more.
Okay.
So
The cut is 5 cards or more, she said.
we have to reshuffle.
I see.
I don't know if you want to put that in.
Yeah, I just said that.
Bad dealer here.
I know. Is that why they had you come in?
I guess. No, no. Every time, every day is different. Every table is different. Every hour is different.
Let's go 50. See if we
We
can.
are here to make friends and make money and give money.
Right?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you are not giving money.
working.
Can I have your cards, please?
I know, huh?
She's just pulling 21s out of everywhere.
As soon as he goes away, I start getting.
I know. You need to get back over here, baby.
Give her something.
This is
good.
about to be the worst beatdown I've had in a long time.
There we go.
Great.
There you go.
See, as soon as you walk back,
I got it.
I started winning again.
Stay put.
Yes. Usually it's the opposite. Whenever we film at Red Rock, I make him get out because he makes me lose.
Some spouse have to say, "You go away."
Oh, look at this garbage.
Man, one too many. Either way, it's gonna be at my
Yeah, right? Oh, you want one that side. I was trying to do it the right way.
There you go.
Yay.
One in a row for the good girl here.
For the good girl.
Well, she's trying to help millions of people. Some people really go on YouTube and, you know, they watch.
Yeah. Ugh. I wish I'd have had something better than that.
Okay, bye-bye. Oh,
Oh, gosh. I really thought that ace was going to help
I
me.
know.
$100 up there. Come on. Holy moly. right, big one now. Big one. Woohoo!
Good job. Okay, last hand again.
Ugh. Oh well. Guess in hindsight I should have
I
stayed,
would
huh?
have had 18. Yeah, that's what we would have put.
Yeah. Hindsight.
Yeah. Well, you trying.
Got 300 here. Alrighty. Ooh, got it.
Hey, finally.
Oh no.
Man, I give you a shocker. Nice. Sometimes when you lose too much, you don't get excited about what you won.
You're right.
Ay, 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 ay.
That's been my entire trip, honestly. All right, big one there for me. Small one for you. Big one now.
There
All
we go.
right. Oh, I
Wow,
needed that.
you needed the help.
I did.
All right, last 10 for the amigos.
Oh
Whoops.
man.
No.
No. Coming up any? Let's see. Nope.
Almost the same. No, little more at the right after shot.
Mm.
How long you guys been married?
11 years.
11.
Yeah.
Just did my 39.
Oh yeah?
Any kids?
Yeah, we have 7 between us. Every time I put more money up, you
I
win.
know. God bless. 7.
Well,
Got 2.
I have 3 and he has he
Yeah.
had 4.
Yeah, yeah. I know.
So
Kids are kids. I wanted to have 4, but I was stopped at 2. Seems like I'm not gonna get enough sleep.
look at that.
Yeah. 17? No, 16.
16.
You know you count. You know?
And I don't know if my rule, the 16 rule, applies
Okay,
with single
4
deck.
card 16 is different than 2 card 16.
I'm just gonna stand.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's see if I would have got.
I'm gonna stay there.
Yeah, 4 card 16 is dangerous. Maybe you'd make it better.
Oh no! Don't show me that card.
Wall is there.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, but what are the odds of that?
Yeah. It's odd as okay,
least it
that
wouldn't
hand makes it this hand better.
Right.
Okay.
So I mean, the one positive way to
Yeah,
look
I like how she
yeah.
looks at it.
Yeah, you have
Every hand I go down
because-
$50.
Because the other people, when they split tens and
Oh.
hit on low, when dealer shows 6, they hit on it.
Yeah.
It makes it spoiled everybody else's hand.
Yeah. Right.
So this way, you build it up your next hand better.
4 card 16, there's no way
Yeah,
I'm gonna get that.
no.
On
yeah.
a single deck, I guess. Yeah, single deck. That's a tough one to hit anyway.
with one coin though. Most of the
Yeah.
time. big
Every time,
coin,
whenever
yeah.
I press
Yes,
up is when I'm losing.
Okay, this time we push.
Yeah. But if I wouldn't be going down to the one, I would be out of money already.
Yeah, true. Either way, huh?
Yeah, either way, you
Yeah.
kick my butt on that one. See, I'm back down to one.
That's Murphy's Law applies
Right.
here.
Uh-oh.
Insurance.
Nope. Look at that
No?
garbage.
Okay, you got a chance. There you go. No? Oh. Oh. Okay, 19.
Okay.
14. I know.
I did, but it always happens right at the end.
But you don't want to even look at the market right now.
It's bad.
So,
Look.
it's just, I was all freaked out about the debt ceiling and the yield going higher. I mean, it's just,
Yeah.
don't even look at it. keep the day positive.
Are you doing the stock market?
Yeah. It's a super volatile time to be in the
Yeah.
market right now. But if you have
What
cash,
is gonna happen? They're gonna shut down the whatever they're
the
trying.
government, yeah, they're talking about shutting the government down.
Yeah.
I don't know. Stocks, a big recovery. You just gotta hold with dime in hand. That's it.
Yeah. I don't know. But the inside people, I hope
Oh,
they don't
yeah.
cash it out like they did a couple of years ago.
I know.
That was,
Well, that's exactly what's happening on some of our stocks.
Yeah.
They. Yeah.
remember that, what was that? That on Bush's time?
Oh,
When was that?
yeah, that was
Big Cheney.
over in Texas. What was that?
Yeah.
Enron.
Enron.
Yeah, how you like that?
They cleaned up,
Jeez.
man.
Yeah. They
People
did.
think that people from third world countries are more corrupt.
So many
no.
big cards came out. I don't know.
Bigger,
That was
bigger
a-
corruption here. Yeah.
I got lucky there. I was worried because we've seen so many
Annoying.
tens already.
Last
I
time.
wonder when China stock. I finally stopped
Yeah.
trading China
Yeah.
stock.
Just have a 10 under there. Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, I think we came up on that one.
Thank God. Yeah.
Yeah, so much drama going on right now.
Not too much.
Oh yeah.
Hey, look, guys.
Yeah, we pulled all
We're
our
actually
China
ahead
stock
right
out.
now.
I don't know if they did the right thing. They pulled the military out of Afghanistan or
Oh, I know.
they made a disaster. I don't know.
Yeah. They're having
Just-
trials about it right now.
Yeah, it was on the. I stopped watching the news and stuff, but it's still.
Yeah, it's depressing sometimes.
My husband watches it, all the talk shows, all the.
Yeah.
So you know, unless I change my room, I have to hear it.
Come on, 24. That's 21.
You think it's my turn to win yet?
I hope so. I hope so.
Oh, maybe not.
9.
Okay, maybe
Okay.
push.
Maybe push.
Yeah,
It's a good push.
push is okay.
All right, my turn.
Okay, maybe you took my card. That's good. Maybe.
Big one.
No.
Oh, no.
Didn't have
Well, you take it
Yeah.
out, you'll break. So
Yeah, no, she wouldn't.
Yeah.
But yeah.
But I mean,
yeah, she
they
played.
was
it
back to back.
right.
The fill in the blank was there. You know,
Yeah.
deuces are, they said, the dealer's ace.
No, you're
So,
right.
I mean, most of the time you
Okay,
just
so on
find
double
out.
deck, I know this is a hit. I don't know if it's a hit in single deck, but I am just going to play this the same way I would play double deck because I honestly, I just don't know.
20.
There you go. I think
Hey.
you played it right.
Okay.
Yeah. She was gonna push, but she won.
Yeah, I just don't know
Yeah.
the
There's
strategy
some
on
variation
this.
between double and single.
Yeah.
She wants to play perfect strategy.
I really, yeah, I don't like not knowing the rules right now.
Nice.
I know.
I,
And sometimes it's better not to know.
I know, right?
I have seen people.
You're right.
They come and play. They don't even know what they're doing, and they're.
And they're right, I know, but
Yeah.
longevity there.
Hey, we're on,
they're
guys.
sustained.
All at once?
oh no.
You're stacking up to chunk it all out?
No, we did that with our stocks. We went YOLO with stocks, and now we're tanking. So
Yeah.
this is to get our mind off of our stocks. Hey, 18. Eh?
All right.
Starting to think I should go heavy on the first hand. I've been winning the first hand. And then after that, it goes downhill.
Right.
All right. I
Nice.
give it 2.
What is this? 2 in a row? Come on. Let's see. Can I get 3 in a row?
You
Get
need
a
to get a
double.
blackjack.
Oh, can I have a 6, please?
Up.
Oh,
Oh.
Oh.
Ouch. Ouch.
that's.
Let me see.
Oh, she had the 6.
See, when I show wrong card, people
Yeah.
cannot make decision.
Right.
The player. That's why the house made the rule,
You're right.
Right.
and we follow it.
Yeah.
So I mean,
Oh, no. Sarah. At least I only
no
had.
matter what I show you, we're gonna hit that head.
Right,
anyway.
right.
We have
Oh,
10,
yeah.
So yeah, I know.
You showed the other one, she would have
But it's
doubled.
still,
So at least you didn't lose
yeah.
double. Just 18.
Okay, last time coming out.
Okay.
Come on, baby. You got to win this one.
Come on, blackjack.
How about-
Blackjack.
Yeah, I want a
blackjack,
couple,
blackjack.
huh? No,
Nice.
Okay.
that's mine.
There you
There
go.
you go.
Give me my money, Sarah.
Don't ask me to that.
Yeah.
Hanging in there now, baby.
Okay, she
Yeah,
got the
'cause
half
you
the
came.
back.
Yeah. Yeah, she was.
Exactly losing 500.
1, 2, 3, 4. This was our
5.
buy-in, so we're up. We're up there. All right, we're gonna end this video. I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna
You wanna,
I'll probably stay at the table, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.